Comments. A couple of things I like to do. I like to number each sentence. I mentioned this before, but I'm just mentioning it again for emphasis. Then it helps students orientate and find exactly what sentence we're on. It just makes people feel more comfortable. It's also easier for you. We're talking about sentence 2. Write the number and then the students write the words. I suggest that the words are written on the left of the board/screen, leaving space for the new text on the right-hand side. So I like to, on the left-hand side of the board, as you're looking at me, on the left-hand side is where I would put, you're going to see this. I've got to think. That's one of the things about being in a classroom. You've got to think from the way that somebody's looking at you. So if I stand in front of the class and I say the graph is like this, and the line goes up from the origin where my left hand is, up towards where my right hand is, the class sees it backwards and it's very confusing because it looks like the graph is the wrong way around. However, if I change and do like this is the graph, this is one axis, this is the second axis, and the line goes up like that, it is going from left to right, which is the way you'd normally see a graph. So I must, in this video, of course, remember what you're looking at. So on the left-hand side, which is where I'm sitting on my right-hand side, this is a bit confusing for me. On the right-hand side of the screen, left-hand side of the screen is where I write the notes, and that gives the rest of the screen, I've got to get my hands right here, left of the screen where we will do the joint rewriting. So the keys to what you write are between my two hands, on the left of the screen, and the other things we're going to write is on the other side of the screen. It's quite difficult working backwards. And there's an example. Write the alternate words below each other in the new sentence. There's an example on the next slide.